All right, so we're back. All right, we're going to talk now about deadlines and why deadline trackers are so important. So when we're talking about deadline trackers, right? Tracking deadlines, the 30-day rule compliance is how to calculate and monitor all key timelines under the FCRA. You need to stay ahead of using the 30-day reinvestigation rule as your enforcement weapon because the things that you record, you're able to use as exhibits. You're able to use them in court. You're able to track and show the judge, hey, we sent out the dispute. They did not respond in 30 days. The law says if it cannot be verified in 30 days as accurate or complete, it must be deleted. They refused, right? If you send out an I-6B3 request for the method of the description of the procedure that was used, they have 15 days and they did not respond. Well, that gives you more ammunition. That gives you more proof that they are willful, they are non-compliant, and they're just complete negligent. Let's say that you're a victim of identity theft, right? And you know that the information is supposed to be blocked in 4 business days of them receiving the information. Well, if it wasn't blocked, how are you going to prove it? So tracking deadlines, guys, you have to be on top of tracking deadlines. Tracking deadlines is key, not only for you winning your lawsuits, but for you winning and getting those deletions, for you to even get negotiation offers before you even enter the court, because you have all these exhibits, you have all these things. And guess what? All of these responses, timelines that were not met, things that they were supposed to do or send back to you within a specific time period, if those are not met, guess what? You have the advantage. You can use this to your advantage, initiate your lawsuit, and or get proper remedy for whatever dispute process or dispute resolution that you want.